Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Tara Taniela Wendelin Hakari, grade 9H. I want to tell you about the hungry wolf. Hungry wolf. One day, a wolf was very hungry. It looked for food here and there, but it couldn't get any. At last, it found a loaf of bread and piece of meat in the hole of a tree. The hungry wolf squeezed it into the hole. It ate all the food. It was a woodcutter lunch. He was on his way back to the tree to have lunch. But he saw there was no food in the hole, instead a wolf. On seeing the woodcutter, the wolf tried to get out of the hole, but it couldn't. Its tummy was swollen. The woodcutter caught the wolf and gave it nice beating. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.